Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Tony over here at Q's, and in this video we wanted to show you a part that we carry. It's for an Elliott equipment. Most of them are on sign trucks, like it may be on like a V60 or an M43, or you may find it on a 55. The serial number on this particular part is 3002530. And let's take a better look at this. So this is an original equipment Elliott part. It's an OEM part. And when it comes to electronics, you want to always buy something that's OEM. When you're dealing, with the aftermarket and electronics, there's a million things that can go wrong. This is made really well. If you're not sure where the part number is on yours, usually they're right here. And you can see the part number on this one, and it's the number I just read off, and it definitely says OEM on it. So we'll have this on our website. If it's something that you need for your Elliott equipment truck, give us a call, or I'll put a link to this particular one in the description of our video. If you click on the link, you can shoot over to our website, take a look at it, buy it out of the site if you need to. Or if you need a different one, give us a call. We can probably get it for you as well, and we'll be more than happy to help you out over the phone. So I will put our phone number in the video, and give us a call or hop onto the website and purchase through the site.